Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these yummy CHAPLI kebabs the quick and easy way. Let's get straight into it. Okay, let's start making this delicious, easy CHAPLI kebab. So here I've got some ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander, some finely chopped onions, green chilies to your taste, salt. Gonna crack an egg in, and here we're going to use a CHAPLI kebab from the Shan brand. So this is all pre-mixed, it's got all the spices, everything's done for you. So I'm going to use this whole packet for about half a kilo of mince. Okay, so let's mix that up. Okay, so now that that's all nicely mixed through, we're going to put it in the fridge for about half an hour to marinate. Okay, so my meat has been marinating for half an hour. It's time now to make our kebabs. Alright, so you can form them into any shape you like. So I'm going to go for the round shape. Just make sure you even out all the edges nicely. Okay, that looks good to me. Okay, so here they are all done. We can either fry them the traditional way, but today I'm going to try them in my air fryer. So I've heated up my air fryer, preheated it, and I've oiled the bottom of it. So let's see what they turn out like. I'm going to do them in batches. So I'm going to do them for 5 minutes because I want to put some oil on them at 200. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, that's looking good. So I'm just going to brush it with some oil. Now this is optional. Now the timings in your air fryer will vary from air fryer to air fryer, so this is just an approximate time. So I'm just going to turn them over. Give them a brush on the other side. And I'm going to give this another 5 minutes. Ooh, look at that. I'm loving the way they look. Ooh, they smell beautiful too. Okay, so it's too hot for me to open one up and check it. Yep, that looks cooked to me. Very good. Ooh, look at that. I'm never going to be frying my CHAPLI kebabs ever again. Absolutely delicious. There you have it. Delicious, healthy, air-fried CHAPLI kebabs. Enjoy.